What's up, everybody? Just got back from a Phillies game, so the plan was to cut the grass today because it's a little overgrown. For some reason, the mower's not starting, so we're going to dive into it. First thing you're going to want to do is take apart the 5/16 bolt that holds on the air filter. Make sure you set this right side up. You don't want to get that dirty. Next thing, I'm going to drop the bowl off the carburetor. All right, so this rubber hose here runs from the fuel tank to the carburetor, and it doesn't have a shutoff on this mower, so what I'd like to do is take a pair of locking vice grips, or in this case needle nose, and just cut off the fuel supply before we take the bolt out and just spill fuel everywhere. All right, so we're going to undo this 1/2-inch bolt here. This is called the bowl of the carburetor. It holds the fuel. You can see I already loosened it a little bit, so it's spilling. So let's go ahead and take that all the way out. All right, so that's the bowl. It's cleanish because I did this not too long ago. I will wipe it out with a rag again, but most of the times it's this little hole gets pinned up and just junk in it. So we'll clear that out and hopefully it works. All right, so there's probably special tools out there to do this, but I'm just taking an ordinary bobby pin, gonna bend it up, and they have this little bulge on the end, so I'm just gonna cut that off, and let's hope this fits in. Take the washer off. Now the way it works is the fuel gets sucked in from these two holes here, and it gets pushed in. It's considered a jet. So if any dirt or debris is in the fuel, which it very well may be, you just run it through and knock it out. All right, so I think I got all the debris out, because when I put it up to the sunlight, you can see through the hole. So let's put the washer back on. Don't forget that or it'll leak. And then go put the bowl back on the mower. So this is just a little bit of sediment that gets stuck inside the jet. We'll just wipe the bowl out. Make sure there's nothing floating in there. And then put it back together. Now you don't need to go super tight when doing that, just because you don't want to squish the washer too much. Once it's tight, take your clamp off. And what I like to do is put the mower flat, just make sure there's no fuel leaking out, and then try to give it a start. Now the reason I left the air filter off when doing it is because if for any reason it didn't start, I could throw some ether in it, starting fluid for people who don't know what ether is, and just kickstart the motor a little bit. So now that it's running, I'll just slap the air filter cover back on, retighten up that bolt. And if you're doing this and you're going to put it away, I recommend just letting it run. But because I'm about to cut my grass, I'll flush out any fluid that's dirty or anything like that. I'm just going to get all cleaned up, and then I'll get the cutting.
Just to think, I told them they can't out hustle me, man. A year ago, I meant that. Nobody knew my name. I was dead ass serious when I said that. I was. I really like inspiring the youth, man. I do. Youth is the future. They are. Let's go, man. Hey, cut it, 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 cut it. Your line is overgrown, you need to cut it. Cut it. Your edge is overgrown, you need to edge it. Going through blades on a regular, cutting the grass on a scheduler. I can cut grass, getting this cash with an edge marker, a hustler. It don't matter the brand, why don't y'all understand? All of my haters be fans, cause they know grow with mowers the man. Sharpen my blades 3 days a week on the RBG 712, and I only use steel, that's all I know. The 9010 may be my first echo. I use your book to stay on task. Tell y'all but it costs too much cash for something that I can give for free on y'all book. You better listen to me. I'm giving y'all game, I should charge a fee, but I do it for the love and I do it for free. I inspire the youth, and they say I'm the truth in this industry, and I ain't got a degree. It all started with a hustle and a vision. Cutting grass, getting cash is the mission. Flip edge, stick edge, don't matter. You know my edges be hitting. Ayy, I've been out here in these lawns cutting grass, hustling. Got it out the mud, ain't nobody gave me nothing. Cutting grass and love it, and you know it. And all you gotta do is grow it, and we'll mow it. Ayy, cut it, 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 cut it. Your line is overgrown, you need to cut it. Cut it. Your edge is overgrown, you need to edge it. Cut it, 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 cut it. Your line is overgrown, you need to cut it. Your edge is overgrown, you need to edge it.
Hey everyone, this is Spencer with SBMOWING.